welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna surprise you with an amazing calzone, but it's gonna be a little bit different. I'm gonna make a calzone like this long. I'm gonna try cook in a wood burning oven. How to make the biggest calzone in this world. Let's go see how to make it. Pizzetta, if you want to see all my secrets, how to make the pizza Neapolitan style, go and subscribe right now. Okay, first thing to do, clean up the board. First thing to do, we need to use 6 dough balls. Weight amount, let me count, 250, 500, 1 kilos, 1.5 kilos of dough. First thing is take 1 dough, take 2 dough, face to face, and the rest on top of the other one, like this. So basically we add 6 dough balls. Gonna put some flour. After you put the 6 balls one on top of the other one, you put it in the dough tray and you let it rest for about 1 hour. This way the dough nice rest. It's gonna be more easy to stretch. Put it right there. Let's put tomato sauce. Bunch of cheese. Let's put some American pepperoni. This was more flavorful because I'm gonna eat this with my team, And voila, I'm gonna put some pepper to give it the bari style flavor. And to be finished, olive oil. Voila, don't be scared. It's time to close. Little bit of flour on the bottom. Make sure it's not sticky. Now we put more tomato sauce. Little bit again of pepper. Now we need to put a little bit of olive oil to help to cook it. And done. Make sure one more time it's not sticky. Done. Now we gotta put it in the oven. Let's go. We got only one shot, guys. Voila. We are checking because this calzone is cooked with a low temperature, because if it's high, we're gonna screw it up. So we got only one chance, it's a must. We're gonna turn it right now. So let's try. Oh my God, guys. It's crazy. It's crazy, but true. Calzone is ready. The biggest calzone in the world is ready. I mean, look at this, how big it is. Look at this. Coming soon, new video. Oh my God, guys, look at it. Look at the side of this calzone. It's three plates. This half is for me. Hope you like this video. Please thumbs up, and the other half is for my friend, of course. And subscribe and share with friends. Ciao.